there's a lot of misunderstanding about hunting and a lot of ignorance. And in many instances, emotions and sentiments play a huge role.
Yeah, the hunting industry in South Africa is very highly regulated. We have to have permits for everything we do. If you have a game farm, you have to have a permit of adequate enclosure. There are animals that are put on the top species list. That's the threatened and protected species list. For those animals, we have to have special permits to hunt them. You also have animals that are on the CITES list, things like rhinoceros and leopard and elephant, which you have to have special permits to hunt. We also have to have registers. So every animal we shoot with our client, we fill in a register, and that register is handed into the Nature Conservation Department, and that register that we hand in actually becomes the export permit for the client's trophies. So there's no way these trophies are exportable without that permit. Once an animal has been shot by a hunter, we will normally afford the hunter a photo session. We'll put the animal nicely in a position, and we'll take photos of that animal until the hunter is happy with, you know, the mementos that he's gathered. Remember, a photograph is all he's got to take home with him until the taxidermy arrives, maybe 8 months or a year later. That animal will then be taken to the skinning shed, where the animal will be, where the skin will be removed from the animal. The animal will be eviscerated, all the intestines, everything taken out of the animal. The skin will go into the skinning shed, where it will be salted, treated and salted, so that it can dry properly before it goes to taxidermist. The skull of the animal will be cleaned, all the meat will be cleaned off the skull, because that also goes to the taxidermist and it's packed in salt. And then the animal will go into the cool room to cool down under refrigerated conditions. And then that meat will be utilized for various causes.